Okay guys, so those of you that are kind of, if you want to upload your documents for NELFUND loan, you see something like uh, this image is too big or something like that. So let me check if I can show you an example. So let's say I snap the admission letter or your school ID card and you upload it. You see that the image size exceeds 2 MB. You can see that, right? So what you do now is you just leave this tab open and open another tab on your phone. Open another tab on your phone or open another browser and search for search for reduce image size. So when you search for reduce image size, you just wait for it to open, okay? And once it does, any of these images, any of this website, sorry, you can just tap on the website and but let me just choose this one, or let me go with the first one. Okay, so if you tap the website or anything, they have the same design or they're kind of similar. You just have to check how it works and upload your image. And then so now what you do is you make sure you have snapped image elsewhere. You have snapped image elsewhere, or if you don't have the image saved on your phone, then you can actually snap the image again. So let me snap this, and here you can see that this is 2.5 MB. That's the image size. You can see it's 2.5 MB, but we need something that is not 2 MB. So what you do now is when you come here, you come to this quality, you reduce it to 20 or anything. It does not really affect your image, just reduces the sizes. So you tap here, you wait for it to, you can see now the sizing, which is this here. So just wait for it to do its thing. So give it time. Sorry, my data is off, that's why the thing didn't go through though. But let me connect, though the thing has worked. You can see the image size has reduced. But let me connect my existing back. So you can see the image size has reduced. The next thing is to download the image, and then we are good to go. So now that we have done that, you just tap on download and you have downloaded the image. You can save the image to your files or anything. So this is it. We need to save the image to our system, iPhone and their stress. This is taking time than you don't have that time. So now when you save this and then you come back to the website, remember this was showing that the size is kind of too big. Now we delete it and upload a new document, which you now go to our image library because we have saved the image before, and you upload it. You can see that everything has been sorted out. It's not showing that error again. Now same thing applies to other websites. Just go to any browser at all and search for reduce image size. I'm trying to choose another website. Then you can use another website here. You can see how this website is. So the website is different, but they still do the same thing. So you give them time, wait for them to load the website properly. Then you select your image. You can snap or do the same thing. So let me still snap again. So when you snap, you upload, then you type the size you want it to be. You can say 50 KB, which is not up to what's it called, 2 MB that they requested. Okay, so now you just wait for it to do its work. Once done, you can see the size has been reduced. You can enter a name if you want, and then you download the image and go back to your NELFUND portal and continue. And also, before we continue, remember that our website, which is Studentsdash, is the only place that you can get past questions, study materials, school guides, and everything you need free of charge. We do not charge you for our services, and you can share with your friend if need be. So once you come to our website, just search for the course code that you need or that you're looking for. You can search something like GST 112. And once you have done that, you see everything concerning that particular course. Okay, and that's it for this video. If you have any question, drop a comment. If you're on YouTube or on our website, you can also contact us on WhatsApp so that we can attend to your messages or this thing more quickly.